Okay, good morning everyone. So this is the accounting cycle and we are done with the first, second, third and fourth steps in accounting cycle. So this video I will show you the fourth step on how to prepare financial transaction. So I have a problem here that where may ito ang um, i-discuss or example karon. Okay. Okay. Our problem or we call this transactions. Okay, klaro ra. So the first step in accounting cycle is we need to analyze the business transaction. So this is the business transaction. So we need to analyze this one. The first transaction is owner invested 60,000 cash into the business account. So this owner atong ibutang nga ako. So ibutang nga Dublin. So si ako mao ni si capital and si 60,000 mao ni si cash. So meaning na nakoy duha ka account. So sa second transaction naapoy office supplies and naa si cash. Sa third transaction na equipment natay on account nga worth and worth 15,000 and service revenue or atong igamit service income ni atong gamit service income and cash salaries niya cash paid rent 3,000. Okay, so this is very important, no? So while analyzing the transaction we need to prepare also our general journal. Okay, so the first transaction, so this is the format. So let's for an example, this is the first general journal sa inyong general book. So page number 1 and general journal. So let's assume nga kaano siya March 2026. So the first transaction is March 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so first is we have the March 1, the date. No, dili good na to kalimtan ang date. Okay, this one. So first is naata year 2026 and the March and we have the 1. Okay. Okay, the first transaction, owner invested. So meaning si capital may increase and si cash may increase. So first is the normal balance for cash is for asset kung may increase kay debit. So natay cash and before that, di ba ang PR atong naisgutan. So I have here chart of accounts. So these are the chart of accounts nga tapos ning i-discuss after na lang no sa midterm. So this is the chart of accounts. We have the account numbers and we have the classification of accounts: assets, revenue, liabilities, expenses and equity. So the PR diri sa ato ang sa atong general journal, this is the post references. Akong giitudlo dito na to makita sa chart of accounts or the account number. So meaning dire atong makita si cash is 100. So si PR dire, so this is 100. Yeah, pila may amount pila may amount ni cash. So this is 60,000. So 60,000. Again, ano point 0 ba sa atong journal 00 pila ka 0 4 1 2 3 4 60,000. And let us not forget the currency. Arela na to ibutang atong peso sign. And next is we have the capital. So Dublin capital. Unya ang capital para itong balikon sa chart of accounts dara. So itong capital, owner's capital is 310. 310 worth 60,000. And yeah, the normal balance for the revenue or for the capital if mo increase is debit. So 60,000. And to record the owner's investment. Okay, we are done with the first transaction. So let's proceed with the second transaction. So the second transaction is purchase office supplies 6,000 in cash. So the date to leave space after the first transaction to if same month, na mo balik ko ng month. So purchase office supplies. So si office supplies, that's our first account and si cash. So office supplies, it's an asset account. So ni-increase siya muna nga office supplies. Inya tanaw na to sa chart of accounts pila ang iyahang PR. Dara office supplies 130 worth 6,000. And si cash, since si cash ning decrease kay nagpalita. So si cash credit pila tong PR. So PR is 106,000. And then it's a so next is to record purchase office supplies. So next transaction is both equipment. So this equipment is office equipment. Now office equipment, yeah, ang word is on account. So meaning on account giotang. So third transaction, office equipment. Ang iyahang account is tara office equipment. It's 130 yung account number worth 15,000. And then cash, since it's on account, on account pa siya, so meaning it is accounts payable. Niya ang accounts payable, account number niya is his liability tara 210 15,000. So to record equipment on account. Next is fourth transaction is earned service or service rendered. So natay service rendered and cash. So kita may nag-rendered, so meaning ning increase si cash. Si cash is pila to ang PR 100, ang worth 12,000. And then service rendered is that service income. So the service income, so it's an revenue. Ano ko nabutan dito? Dara. So service income 410. So 410, it's 12,000. Then to record without service vendor. And then 5 paid salaries. So salaries, that's an expense, and 4 is cash. So ni-decrease si cash, so credit niya si salaries na to. So salaries and wages. So si salaries and wages expense di siya. Okay, ang naara dire is the salaries expense. No, the wages expense is okay ni siya. No, expense kaya po ni siya, or salaries and wages 540 worth 4,000, and we have the cash 100 iyahang account number 4,000 to record paid salaries. Next is 6 transaction, paid 5,000 to creditor. Okay. So meaning ang creditor meaning atong giutangan. So balik ta sa ato ang for example kanito ang una katong on account nato lang giunahan og 5,000. So meaning ang paid nato, which is we have the cash nya paid to creditor sa atong giutangan. So meaning na atay accounts payable. So ang mahitabo si accounts payable na ibanan. Ang atong liability wala na iba natong liability, so may increase siya. May decrease ang ato ang liability. So may decrease siya, atong i-debit. So accounts payable. So pila tong sa atong account number sa accounts payable 210. So 210 accounts payable 5,000. And we have the cash 105,000. And we have the last transaction 7, paid rent 3,000. So this is rent expense. So rent expense is 550. $3,000, and we have cash 3,000. Okay, so we are done with our first and second accounting cycle or step. So after general journal, let's jump to our general ledger. So inigadto to sa general ledger. This is very important. So tanawa ninyo ang PR. Awa ninyo ang PR. So sa ato ang general journal, general ledger, kinahanglan pasunod siya. Again, each kani. For example, kani one page ni siya, sunod next page niya, next page. So usa ta mo anhi sa ato ang general ledger, atong tan-awon ang iyahang ang iyahang PR or account number. So ang mahitabo, ang first page sa general ledger, kung kinsa ang pinakagamay, silbi atong i-sort from lowest to highest. So kung ato tan-awon ang tanang PR dire, makita nato nga ang pinaka-low si cash. So atong ibut ang una nato is si page 1 dire. So si page 1 is si cash. pila ang sign number niya 100. So next, siguro 1 2 3 4 5 6 example na. So sa page 2 sunod si cash 100, 130. Okay, we have 130. So si office supplies. After ko 130 ay 180. Okay, 180. Sige sa man to si 180. We have office equipment. $180. Sunod sa 180 we have 210. Okay, 210. Si accounts payable. Next, we have 210 na atay 200 na to 300 na 310 which is the capital. Dublin capital. After ni 310 na ay 410. Okay, na tayo 410 si service income. Service. Okay, page 6 na to. Sunod, page 7, 8, 9. After nito, 410 natay 540 salaries and wages. 540 salaries and wages. Sunod natay 550. 550 si rent expense. Ano ba? So 550, 410, 540. Okay. So this is an impromptu. Okay. So sa nakatuna na to last week, no? Okay. First is let's go sa cash. So ano na ni cash? Si cash is sa nga transaction. Again, nagapon ni CI day. Gamay. Next is description. And debit. Date. Description. Credit. Same sa uban ha. Rato lang tanawon sa on pag sod. Dilala ko siya ano. Kailang first cash akong kumplitohon. Then we have the date. Maghihapon 2026 March 1. Okay, March 1. March 1 we have the debit na cash. Debit which is 60,000. Nya to record. Pwede na siya largo owner. Owner investment. Nya na pa ni CIPR. Okay. Ang PR diri sa ledger, again, ang PR diri sa ledger, ato ni siyang makita sa ato ang general journal. Diri. So meaning, si cash, kaning general, kaning page number, mo na itong PR sa atong ledger. Meaning post reference. So since naaman ni sa page 1, so GJ1. So general journal page 1. Mo na makita na to. And pila gani? This is 60,000. So muna 00 1 2 3 4 6 okay, 60,000. Next na cash is dara sa 2. Kamali kompleto ha. 2 purchase office supplies. Office supplies nya GJ1 bilang office supplies 6,000. 6,000. Wala sayop. Ano diri man ako gibutang. Diri sayop ko. Diri. 2. Diri siya ha. Sayop ako tanaw. Office supplies. Purchase. Supplies niya. GG1 6,000. Okay, next cash is 4. Is 12,000. Yeah, debit. So 4. Pwede rin need white space service render. Same gyapon JG1 nya 12,000. Next cash is 5. 4,000 paid salaries. Yeah, rapido cash. Gapon 6. 5. Okay. Si 6. Wala 63. There si 6. Okay, credit siya so 5,000 gapon. Nakalimutan tag to record. So siya ang 6 to record paid creditor. To record paid rent. Sorry kayo, kalimutan. So 6 is paid creditor. GG1 niya 7 paid rent. GG1 3,000. Okay, so up next is ato nang i-add tanan. So first is ito na sa kan 60,000 plus 12,000. So we have 72,000. So ato nang ito. So natay 72,000. Magapon 1, 2, 3, 2, 7. Next Pika side we have 60,000. This is 6,000. Ay magkalibog ka. Tingnan mo sa'yo ba? 6,000. We have 4,000. We have 5,000. And we have 3,000. That's 18,000. 18,000. And after that, we're going to get the balance. So 72,000 minus 18,000. That's 54,000. So balance 54,000. So manata sa cash. So next adto nata sa office supplies. So office supplies is 6,000. So maghapon ha date lago lang purchase dili na ako ibalik suwat ang format ha, sama na yung format. Purchase office supplies maghapon JG1 bilang office supplies 6,000. Okay. Ngita taglain kung napabay office supplies. 130. Okay, wala na. So let's proceed na sa next. So ang sunod is office equipment. So 15,000. Purchase office equipment JG1. Office equipment is 15,000. Okay, 15,000. So next, what na office equipment? Okay, wala na. We have accounts payable. The first accounts payable is 3. So kita na to diri si accounts payable is credit. So largo ta sa ato ang credit side. So accounts payable 3, equipment on account GJ1 pila 15,000. Next, accounts payable, down na ko ba? Okay, dati accounts payable usa, pero this is 5,000. Okay, 5,000 pero credit siya. So ano lang ko ha, accounts payable, paid creditor. Na 5,000. Ano ba? Okay, wala na. So 5,000 minus 15,000 is ang balance na to is 10,000. Matay 10,000 accounts payable. Next, we have the capital credit. So capital na to pag 1 investment dugay kay mo humano. Investment 60,000. Wala na investment. Next is service income. Service income, okay. Service income is 1. Credit 12,000. Basta money 4. Third service GG1 12,000. 12,000 ang service rendered. Okay. So next is we have the na lang ka account. Salaries and wages 4,000. Basta money 5. Paid salaries worth 4,000. Next is we have rent expense. Then 3,000. Paid rent 3,000. Okay, so we are done with our general ledger. So after the general ledger, the next step that we're going to make is the trial balance. So trial balance or unadjusted trial balance. Okay, so how to make the trial balance? So I already discussed no sa inyo how sa ato pagbuhat sa trial balance. So first is the format. So first is the company name. So ito ibutang lang dire is Dublin's company. Kunya unadjusted trial balance. And kanus ani mo gibuhat itong ibutang December 31. No, kay at the end man ni siya 31 2026. So first nga ato ang buhaton is we need to make sure no nga we already know the sequence no ang sequence sa ato ang kani ana nato sequence diri sa ledger. So kung unsay format sa ledger o ya sequence same na siya sa journal. So we have the account, we have the debit, and we have the credit. So diri nga part atibutang tanan nga account in order gyapon siya in numerical order. So meaning same gyapon ni 100, 130, 180. So ato nahon si cash. Next is we have the office supplies. We have the office equipment. Next we have the accounts payable. Next we have the capital. Next we have the service income. Next we have the salaries and wages. And last we have the rent expense. So as you can see, these are the asset, liability, capital. We have the income or revenue, and we have the expense. Meaning na ang ato ang tanan nga elements: asset, liabilities, capital, income, and expense. So after ani buta to sa mga accounts nga gisort na to in numerical order ang amount na niya. So natay two types of trial balance. We have trial balance of total and trial balance of balances. So kanina akong ipakita sa inyo is trial balance of balances, meaning kung pilay balance diri nga makita nato sa general ledger. So first, cash. So kung asa man nakabutang si cash, debit. So debit si cash diri ibutang to sa adjusted trial balance, unadjusted trial balance, debit sad siya. This is 54 54,000. Next, si office supplies 60,000. Next, we have office equipment. 15,000. Yang atong piso sign sa first na to ibutang nga ay kalimot. Next is si accounts payable. So accounts payable is credit. So balance niya is 10,000. So 10,000. Next is we have si capital 60,000. Service income 12,000. And we have salaries and wages. Okay, dili na punta. Kay debit man aton salaries and wages. 4,000. And rent expense 3,000. So after nato og butangan ng tanan, so tangan nato diha og under. So ato na ni siyang i-total. So atong i-total. Total na to tanan nga debit, tanan nga credit. So first is 54,000 plus 60,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,000 plus 3,000 equals 136,000 pesos. And sa Pikas is 82,000. So meaning naatay sayop. We are short. Short ta. Ha? So negative 54 ta. Negative 54,000. Asa nato makita si 54,000 dara? So naay 54,000 si cash. Asa man tam na sayop? 54,000. So kung dili mo makita diri si 54,000, asa ka na? Again, natay sayop. No? Asa na ito taon? So ang mahitabo, balik ta sa ato ang journal. Naon na to, og naasakto ra ba? Sakto. Pero how come sayop ta dire? So to check ha, si cash na to is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Usa sa rason nganong masayop ta is ang ato ang pagka-flat, no? So aron di ta una masayop, ato lang i-compute daan ang ato ang journal. No? Compute na to tanan kung balance ba siya 60,000 plus 6,000 15 12 4 5 and 3,000 equals to 105. This is to check lang kung balance. 60 6,000 15 12 4 5 and 3. So sa atong pagkita diri, both sa atong journal, sa general journal is walay sayop, 100 same siya balance. So buot pasabot ang ato ang sayop naa diri sa general ledger. So ang atong buhaton is ato na pud siyang subayod. Atong i-double check. Okay. So si owner si cash, okay, 60,000. Another one is sa 4 na i-cash, credit 12,000. Okay, correct. Next is another cash, this one. So this is not 60,000. This is 6,000. Okay. So masaya ko ang tabi. Go check the 6,000 plus 4,000. So 18,000 minus ano to, 72,000. Okay, 54 is correct. So another cash is 6,000. Okay, 4,000, 5,000 and 3,000. Okay, so 54,000. Pero deficit yan niya, 54 itong deficit. So ito 54. Okay. So next is si supply na punta, office supplies. 6,000 Okay. 60,000 ito na. 60, 12. Sunod, si purchase office equipment. 15,000. Okay, 15,000. Next, si accounts payable. 10,000. Si 3 accounts payable is 15. Accounts payable na po balik, it is 5,000. Okay, next si capital 60,000. Okay, this one. Okay, okay na siya. So nganong sayop man ta? Okay, so nakita na nako asa ta nagkulang. Okay, so as we can see, si office supplies diri is 6,000, yato nabutang diri 60,000. So muon na nga sayop ta. So 6,000 ni siya. Buo di ang sayop ta. So ang ato aron nga kwenta is 82,000. Okay, yung pikas 82,000. Okay, nakita na nato. So bala siya, that's our final So ingon ana kalibog, ingon ana ka-importante nga tarungon gud atong tan-aw. So this is just the example, no, gipakita ra ta mo unsa ang mga pamaagi, how to we call this, how to detect errors and how to correct errors in general in accounting cycle. So mana kung makita nato nga balance diri, ang si trial balance, okay, pwede na ta maka continue sa ato ang transaction. Okay, thank you everyone, and let's be excited sa ato ang final nga sana nga coverage kay mas nindot siya. Thank you.